Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is it illegal or somehow wrong for me to put my company into liquidation? This is a question that directors of companies sometimes wonder because they would very much like for their companies to be able to pay the debts that they owe, but sometimes the companies just aren't able to. So the answer to this question is no. It's not illegal or wrong in any way to put a company into liquidation. I usually explain it like this. In the commercial environment in which we live and work in Australia, there's the opportunity for companies to earn a profit, but there's also the risk that they might earn a loss. And there needs to be a system in place to deal with companies that can't pay their debts. This means liquidation is an administrative process more than anything else. It's not meant to be punishment, and it's certainly not illegal. So what this means is that there has to be some way for these companies to be dealt with in our commercial system, and some way for creditors to get assurance that such a process has been handled independently and that they should now write off their debts.